Using ceiling boards marked with one dot, install the first board on the ceiling joist, with the smooth side facing out and the groove facing the wall. The first ceiling board can be face nailed at the edges, as the 3/4 inch wide ceiling molding will cover these holes. Attach the board using the 5-penny nails provided. Position the nail at a 45-degree angle to where the base of the tongue meets the board. Nail to each ceiling joist. Countersink each nail using a nail punch. Install the second ceiling board by lightly tapping the board into place with a hammer. If the board does not fit tightly, use a small wooden block to make the board fit snugly. There should also be no gaps between the boards. Each board will cover the nail holes from the previous board. Install the remainder of the ceiling boards. The last ceiling board will have to be ripped to fit. Measure the distance between the board and the wall stud at each end of the board. Mark the board, and, setting the saw at a 5-degree angle, use a table saw to rip the last ceiling board to size. Set the board in place and use a block and hammer to make the board lie flat against the joists. Use a pry bar to achieve a tight fit. And, using a hammer or pneumatic tool, face nail at the edges of the board. If you have no solid surface for nailing, pre-mark the ceiling joists so you can face nail to the ceiling joists. The standard pre-cut package is meant to be installed horizontally.